Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be going to cook sweet and sour chicken. All we need is the ingredients. Of course, our chicken that I cut already into cubes. Okay. We have our bell peppers. We'll cut into cubes also later. A piece of tomato. A piece of onion. Cloves of garlic. I will cut this one into minced later. And our baby carrots, pinch of black pepper powder, and also pinch of salt. And I will be using this as our sweet and sour. Okay, sweet and sour sauce, the ROID, sweet and sour chili, sweet chili sauce. Okay, for chicken. So I'll be using this one, and of course our pineapple slices. So we will be cut this one into cubes later to mix up with our chicken. Okay, so what we're going to do now is, of course, we have to cut our ingredients. So now we are going to fry our or saute our garlic. Okay, I chop it minced, very minced, very small. Okay, we'll just wait until it's a bit color golden brown. And then we can add our onion. Okay, and then we can add our tomato. I cut it into half. Okay, that's how it looks like, our tomatoes. Okay, that's how it looks like, our tomatoes. Now we can add our carrots. While cooking our tomatoes, we can add our spices like our black pepper powder and a pinch of salt also. I add a little bit of water in order for the carrots to be cooked right away. So there you go, our carrots. Let's just wait for a little bit of minutes to be a little bit soft, and then we can add our chicken. Okay, I think our carrot is a little bit soft, so we can add our chicken. Cover for a while to let the chicken cook, and then we can add our capsicum or bell peppers and our pineapples. So I think we can add now our sweet chili sauce. Sweet chili sauce. Okay. Yummers. And then after sweet chili sauce, we can add our pineapples. Okay, there you go, our pineapples. Mixed. And then 5 minutes before we remove this chicken, we can add on top our cube bell peppers. Okay, looks yummy, right? So we will add now our bell peppers. Yan. Yummers. What a colorful ulam for the night. Yan. Okay. Aside from very easy to make, super delicious and super nutritious. Let's just wait for at least 3 to 5 minutes. We'll cover and then it's done. Yummers! So this is how my orange chicken or sweet and sour chili chicken looks like. Okay, super yummy and nice to look at. What a colorful one. Okay guys, so don't forget to visit my channel. Just don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. Bye! See you on my next one.